currently, I am the Honorary Senior Fellow at Massey College, right? And I'll tell you the truth about how that came to be. It had a lot to do with former principal Hugh Siegel, who's now unfortunately passed away. Thoughts and prayers to his family and his friends. I was going through my phone one day, looking at events, because I had a lot of events, right? And I was like, okay, what do I not have to go to tonight? And then I got to Massey College, and it said they wanted to make me something or offer me something. I go, well, that doesn't seem like something I need to go to. And so my wife was standing there. I said, I think I can skip this one. And then of course, I looked it up and see what it was, and it said there's only ever been two others beside myself, the Chancellor of Oxford and the Duke of Edinburgh. I said, geez, maybe I ought to go. So my wife goes, you're getting this great award. She called it an award. This great award, and you're not taking me? And I said, I wasn't going 2 minutes ago. But I was very honored, to get the award. And I told that story when I got here, and jokingly said, now those two are in good company.